YouTube.
What are we gonna do today?
Make fossil egg.
We're gonna open up a fossil egg. What is it? Let's see.
Dino fossil egg.
It's the Zuru Robo Alive Real Life Robotic Pets Dino Fossil Find. What does this say? Look.
It says,
It says my eyes light up.
my eyes light up.
What else? And I roar. All right, let's open it up.
We can open it.
Yeah, go ahead, open it.
Down here.
Just rip it off. Finally. All right, so hold on. Whoa, shake it. What's inside? What could it be?
Oh, and that's fun.
Let's open it. Whoa, what's inside? So what do we have here? Dino Fossil Find. Fossil Foam. Dino Slime.
I really need it.
Fossil Rock. It says, once the egg is opened, rotate the lock from the inside to release the tool. So we're going to release the tool from the inside. Got the tool. All right. So we'll open up the fossil foam. Let's see what that's all about.
Uh-oh. What's in there? There's something in there.
What is it? Oh,
Anything else left? Nope.
So what's this?
So what do we have here?
Oh, that's part of the dinosaur because we're going to put together a dinosaur. We're looking.
Torso.
Good.
Does it feel cool? Let me see.
Body.
So we're building a dino. We're building a robotic dino, a real life robotic pet. So that's part of it, okay? So this is this body.
Slime.
We're opening up some dino slime, guys.
Oh my god.
Green.
Slime.
Slime.
Is
What
like
color?
Oh, yucky, ugly slimers.
Oh, you got to get the dino parts out of the slime. What does it feel like? Slimy?
Yeah.
All right, let's get these dino parts out.
It's like a web.
It's like a spider web.
Mm-hmm.
A little sticky.
Yeah. It's sticky.
Come on. Keep going. Keep going.
Yeah, give it a paw.
Foot.
Good job, dude.
All right.
Are you an archaeologist?
So we're getting all his legs. Ooh, that's a tail. One more foot. Ooh, that's a foot. Is that it? Is there any more pieces?
No.
All done?
I'll open this one next.
All right. How many dino parts?
Need a head.
We need a head. That's right.
Head.
Oh,
Here,
so
I
now
think-
we have the fossil rock.
Good job, honey. I see something in there. Good piece. Good job. Oh, right here. Excellent.
Good job. You got it.
Oh, this
What kind of a dinosaur is it?
Triceratops.
Triceratops. All right, let's put it together.
This part goes right in the hole.
Let's see.
This one leg.
Is it? I do it.
Okay.
Dot, dot.
So it snaps. Give it a good push. There we go. Okay. Got it. Good job. Push good. Nice. Okay. So let's put him out. His legs like that. And then, do we have a tail? Here.
Oh.
Look at his mouth.
How do you turn it back on?
And turn it off. On. Off.
It is on.
The tail, so you push it down again one more time, and then that turns it off. Wow, that's pretty cool.
It's a cool toy. Awesome.
Is this your favorite one?
Yes.
What is it?
Slime. Sticky slime. Thanks for watching YouTube. Peace out.